Hello once again, this is Savatron Julio Reyes. I'm here to show you a new lightsaber I've been working on with the help of Judge Sabersmith, and it's from this game, The Force Unleashed. It's the StarKiller Saber. Now, I made the whole thing, handcrafted it myself, constructed it myself, but Judge Sabersmith sent me a scale drawing, and basically I had to reverse engineer based off the drawing. So I had to measure everything on the drawing, cut everything out. He also showed me where to find some of the materials that I needed, and then a lot of the parts obviously I got off the custom saber shop. And yes, as you can see, it looks pretty much like Judge Sabersmith's. There's only a couple slight differences. I used activation box 5 right here from the custom saber shop and just kind of chopped the top off, and I actually added a band right here so it looks more like it. There's a couple other slight differences that most people wouldn't notice. At the bottom of the shroud here, I actually angled it and rounded it off, which I was playing the game and I rotated the camera around and noticed that these slight little differences are actually in the game on the 3D model. So I went ahead and made those changes to my lightsaber just to make it a little bit more authentic to the lightsaber. Not to say that Judge Sabersmith's is not authentic. He actually inspired me to build my own. And yeah, so I would like to also thank the custom saber shop, Ultra Sabers, and Judge Sabersmith, because if they weren't around, basically I would not have built this. I also came up with my own solution for the crystal chamber here. Just going to take it apart real quick and show you guys. Basically, if you unscrew, on mine, if you unscrew the middle screws on the shroud, that loosens up the O-ring that's actually holding down the... Pull this out. Yeah, if you can see that. This is a really basic crystal chamber. The O-ring holds down this little disc. It's a metal disc that you get at like a hardware store, and I just put a red LED inside of an LED holder and hot glued a real quartz crystal, very tiny quartz crystal, to the tip of the LED emitter. And once it's all wired up, this will turn on and it should light up pretty much like this. And once it's inside the saber, this as well as the blade area will be lit up and will look extremely awesome, exactly how it looks in the game. And I'm going to go ahead and put this back in there with a little battery on it, just so you guys can kind of see what it should look like once it's on. Just line this up in there. There we go. Oh, it turned off. There we go. So that's basically what it should look like. Now, this has not been wired up. The button will actually be on the back here in the activation box. It'll be a tactical switch, or a tactile switch, however you want to say it. And the wires will run through. It's pretty much built exactly like Judge Sabersmith's. And yeah, so I'd like to thank him, Custom Saber Shop, and Ultra Sabers once again, because if they didn't exist, I would not make my own. I have a little blade here which fits in. I like to use the shorter blades, obviously. I think I've said that before, because you can just maneuver them easier, and one-handed approach, especially for a backhanded saber like this, is perfect. But yeah, there's my lightsaber, and I will actually be constructing a couple more. I have some original designs that I'm going to be making, which is going to use the exact same techniques I used to make this one, and I'm going to try to recreate the Darth Maul saber as well. So, thank you for watching my video, and see you guys later.